dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm 37. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love clicky clickies. Thumbs up. Helps my channel grow, helps me get out there into the YouTube universe. Again, I really hope that there's not a strong breeze going through here. Maybe I should kind of roll up the windows a little bit, because yesterday's video, I did hear a breeze here and there. There we go. So, if you're new here, which a lot of you are, hi, how are you? I love talking to you in the comments. I love helping you guys. I love hearing what you guys ate. I love hearing how your day was. So comment down below. I am doing a week's worth of intermittent fasting, breaking my fast every day with Keto Chow. And today's Keto Chow is chocolate toffee. It smells so amazing, so amazing. So I do my Keto Chow a little differently. I do half water, half unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and then a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I know I keep saying that I want to try coconut oil, or I've tried butter before, but I wanted to try butter again. I do like using the avocado oil every once in a while, but I just keep forgetting, and I just get in the habit of just making it the way I always make it. So it's made with heavy whipping cream today. Let's go ahead and try it. Always lick the lid. That is amazing. That's good. It's good. I do wish that there was a little bit more of a toffee flavor, but it's there subtly. I bet you if you got like a toffee one-on-one flavors or something like that, that would be really good in there. So today is going well. I did great yesterday. I've really not struggled with any out of my fasting window eating, which is really weird. It hasn't even crossed my mind, like not even one time. I don't know what has changed. Actually, I know what has changed. So back when Amanda Keto Ginger did her video about how tracking isn't something that's like good for her, because then she obsesses about the numbers and it stresses her out, and then I feel like when you're stressed and you hold on to weight, you're constantly thinking about the numbers, etc., you know. Once that video came out, a lot of people started thinking about that. And I know like Melanie, Princess Ninja and Keto, she mentioned it as well. That's a very good point. And then I was talking to Erin, and Erin brought it up. She's like, I think I'm gonna try to not track my macros and kind of do like intuitive eating and see how that goes. And I was like, you know what, that's not a bad idea. I mean, I've done intuitive eating before, like on the weekends usually is what I would always do. I wouldn't track on the weekends, and I would just eat. I'd stay keto and just eat, and it always worked good for me. I noticed I was eating less actually when I did that. And so about I think Monday I tracked. Tuesday is when I think I decided I'm not gonna track. I'm just gonna eat intuitively within my fasting window. And I've been doing really good. I've been making my regular coffee with just like, the only thing that has calories in my coffee is my almond milk, which is extremely low in calories. And I'm staying under 50 calories with my coffee. And then I'm not eating anything until lunchtime with my Keto Chow. So I'm breaking my fast with my Keto Chow, and then I don't eat anything again until I get home from work, which is usually around, well, I have to cook dinner and stuff, so then I usually don't eat until about 6:30, 7 o'clock. And then my fasting window is done. 7:30 comes, I finish dinner, I do whatever we gotta do, I start editing my videos, take my shower and get ready for bed. And that's how all this week has gone. And I've been doing really well, staying under everything. I don't know what my weight is, because I have agreed to not touch the scale until Sunday after exactly 1 week, and I will see where I am then. I did weigh last Sunday and I was at 225.8. That is 0.8 up from my lowest of lows. Also, I was still on my period, which I hold on to a lot of water for the second half of the month because of my period. So the first few weeks of the month is when I lose, and then I always gain for, I don't like gain, but I like go back up a couple of pounds, like 4 or 5 pounds the second half of the month, which is odd, but whatever, that's my body. Everybody's body is different. So I've learned that that's the pattern that my body is doing. So I don't try, I'm not really beating myself up over that, because now I know that this is what's going to happen. I'm going to lose, I'm going to put on a little bit, and then I'm going to lose again, even lower than my last loss. So I'm not mad at it. It's annoying, whatever. So I'm excited about Sunday because I do definitely think I will be below. I'm really hoping that I'll be maybe around 220. That's what I'm hoping. So that's a far reach, but hey, you never know. I've been staying in contact with Erin. We've been talking a lot. She's been giving me advice on different things, and we tell each other what we're eating and if we're having any problems. I know she's been feeling a little bit off with like electrolytes and stuff, so I know I think she's planning on taking like some Keto Chow drops. I know she mentioned that in one of her videos. So today actually I started having a little bit of those. It's very weird. I haven't been taking my Soleil water either, which I know I need to, but I can definitely tell when I don't, because it's something that you can definitely tell. Like I'm sitting there and I don't feel dizzy, but I kind of feel a little bit like I don't know, it's really hard to explain. It's something you feel very weird, like almost like a whoosh, like I don't know. So when I get home, I'm definitely going to have a glass of my Ketorade, and I need to get back in the habit of drinking that every day. I really do, because it's a scary feeling to be low on your electrolytes, and it doesn't feel good. It definitely doesn't. Other than that, I'm full of energy. I'm having a great week. I'm feeling very productive, and I'm really pushing and hoping that I plan on next week attempting my first 48-hour fast, and I'm gonna actually do that with the Countess of Low Carb, Elizabeth. So I'm really hoping that I can get through that. I know I can get through it. I'm just scared. It sounds like a big number. So I'm gonna eat my Keto Chow, I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and I will check in with you guys after work. Bye. Hey guys. Every time. I need to go grocery shopping, so I'm not gonna cook dinner yet. I did have half of a that freaking chopstick. The only one that was left was the cranberry habanero. I do not like that one. I didn't like it last time. I still don't like it. It's oily, it's weird, it's 4 carbs. It's not, no. I ate half of it, and then I ate like 1 pork rind, and I'm hungry. I'm ready for dinner. It's 6:26, so I'm cleaning, and then I'm gonna head to the store. But until then, I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna try this Too Good yogurt, the peach. I've never had this flavor yet, and then this is almost gone because I've been using it so much. But this keto granola, so good. This is really good. I love it. I've been putting it in my yogurt. I did try it in a bowl of cereal over the weekend. Yes, you may. This is all that's left. I've eaten so much of it. It's almost gone. It's really good. I actually had it for lunch a couple of days last week. So, I love the little notes. But I'm not even going to measure. I'm just going to, because it's like a serving is a 1/3 cup. And I'm just going to put like a spoonful in. But you guys, this is really good. Like, I know I've gone over the macros before for this, but this is a 1/3 cup a serving. It is 10 total carbs, 4 fiber, 4 sugar alcohols, 5 protein, 18 fat. And it is sweetened with monk fruit and erythritol. This is clean. This is very clean. It's almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut chips, pecans, cinnamon. This is really good. My favorite part about it is the cinnamon covered coconut chips and pecans. It's so delicious. You might say that's a weird combination. Cinnamon and peach. Actually, it's really good, so. Say what you will. There is something good in every day. Too good.
What you will.
The spoon is gigantic. And this is 2 net carbs. Low carb.com. Carb with a K. Hey guys, I don't know how well you can see in the car because it is starting to get dark. I have different company today. Reese and Peyton are with me to go to the store. We just left Dollar Tree. We got some cool things. Why is there a shoe? This is what happens when you have boys. Put your shoe back on. Now we're headed to Walmart.
What do you mean?
We have to get something.
It is on.
We still haven't had dinner. It is 7:48 at night. I do not work tomorrow, so I will be able to fast a little bit longer tomorrow. And what was I saying? Oh, I forgot my glasses. I feel naked when I don't have my glasses on.
Why?
Because you'd understand if you ever wore your glasses. I got some really nice things at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna say they were completely sold out of those Nutcracker Glade plug-in scents, which I knew that they would because there was 2 in a pack for $1. And the last time I was there, I bought a ton of them, and I thought they're gonna sell out of these quick, and they sure did. But they still had the pumpkin spray Airwick scents, so I bought like 3 or 4 of those because those are usually about $4 to $5 depending on where you get those. And what did we get? They got some candy. I got some napkins and a napkin holder, a couple little knick-knack pumpkins for the table.
That's weird.
Some makeup remover wipes. So we're here to get basically just a little bit of groceries. We don't really have much. We've got eggs and bacon and some freezer meat. But we don't really have a lot of stuff. So we're here. I did not make a grocery list, which I hate not doing now, but I needed to come get floor cleaner. Alright guys, so I have a steak cooking. Just show you what I got from Walmart. I got a head of lettuce, a thing of strawberries, 2 vanilla, 2 good yogurts, a cotton candy bag, a blue raz, rain, some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, pepper jack cheese, mild cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese slices, 2 things of the medium cheddar cheese block, and 2 of the mozzarella, 1 thing of black forest ham, big thing of cheese. Oh, I got this at Walmart too. These full moon orange, these were 98 cents. Ghoulish vanilla, berry curious cat, and wicked citrus hand soaps for the bathrooms. We went to Dollar Tree and I picked up more of these Airwick sprays because that's such a good deal. This little knick-knack was at Dollar Tree. This little smudge pot eyeshadow from e.l.f. was at Dollar Tree, which is really cool. I got these door hangers with bells. I thought Link can ring the bell when he wants to go out. He used to do that when he was a puppy. So for only $1, I got 2 of those. I got this little light up pumpkin, this little light up kitty, and this little light up ghost. This little pumpkin, and these signs, spooky, beware, and wicked for outside. Got these napkins. Hey, Macy! No, Baba girl. We needed a new stopper for the tub. And look at this shirt. It's llama print. And then there's one with dinosaurs. I absolutely love dinosaurs. So I'm so happy about this. And you guys, you'll get it. It's a running joke right now, right? I got some Frosted Flakes and some dog food. And I'm cooking my steak in the air fryer. I had the chicken pulled out, but it was still really hard. So, oh, and I picked this up. I like these. All right, what are you doing? Get out of the bag. Why do you like bags? What the heck? She broke the box open. You fatty. All right, guys, here's dinner. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna like this. I looked at this in the store. It was already pre-seasoned. It said steakhouse seasoning. I looked at the ingredients. There wasn't anything that I shouldn't have. And I'm like, why is it so red? The seasoning is so red. And I'm like, whatever. I licked a piece and it is super, super spicy. I cooked it in the air fryer. I probably overcooked it because I couldn't tell with all the rub on it. And then I just have some broccoli with sour cream. And I got some of this honey barbecue. I'm scared. But this is dinner. It is literally 10 p.m. I'm hungry. Closing out the vlog, guys. See you tomorrow.